Every year Xiaomi launches multiple flagships, and this year we have already seen the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 5G, the Xiaomi Mi 9 and also the Redmi K20 Pro from Xiaomi's sub-brand Redmi. Now despite the fact that we already have a Mi Mix phone in 2019 with the Snapdragon 855 chip, the Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 is definitely launching soon. And today we just got to know something that could be the biggest highlight of the Xiaomi Mi Mix 4. If you don't know, Xiaomi unveiled the 64 megapixel camera technology for phones today at an event and also announced that the upcoming Redmi phone will be one of the first phones in the world to feature a 64 megapixel rear camera. At the event, Xiaomi also announced something even more exciting. The company announced that it would launch a phone with a 108 megapixel camera sensor from Samsung. Now this phone is most likely going to be the Xiaomi Mi Mix 4. Now Samsung is yet to unveil such a camera sensor, but it looks like this camera sensor will be customized for Xiaomi, and as per sources, no other brand is going to adopt the 108 megapixel camera sensor, at least for a couple of months from now. Talking about the resolution of the photos that this camera sensor can capture, it is even higher than a 10K resolution. Xiaomi has already revealed that the 64 megapixel camera takes photos with a size around 20 megabytes, so you can imagine the size of photos taken with the 108 megapixel camera sensor. Obviously, there will be some pixel binning technology to combine multiple pixels into one. This happens with the 14 megapixel camera sensors as well, as the phones with such sensors take 12 megapixel photos by default, as 4 pixels are combined into one. The Xiaomi Mi Mix series is known for the futuristic design, and it all started way back in 2016 when the Mi Mix was launched with a bezel-less design. At that time, it was probably the most unique looking phones with that edge-to-edge display. The Mi Mix 2 was not a major upgrade in terms of the design, but the Mi Mix 3 brought a manual slider with it. Then this year Xiaomi launched the 5G version of the Mi Mix 3, the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 5G. So in short, the Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 is definitely going to be one of the most unique phones of this year, as there are a lot of interesting features that are rumored, like an in-display selfie camera, in-display fingerprint scanner, Snapdragon 855 plus SoC, 108 megapixel rear camera, 45 watt fast charging and more. Xiaomi has already announced a 100 watt fast charging technology, but it is most likely not coming with the Xiaomi Mi Mix 4. Well, the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3 launched in October last year, so the Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 is also expected to launch in October or November. What are your expectations from the Mi Mix 4? Do let me know via the comment section below. I'll see you in the next one.